this video, I'll be showing you how to get access to over 2,000 plus N8N workflows in just minutes. So if we take a look at my screen here, we've got the N8N workflow documentation, and we've got access to over 2,000 N8N workflows. If we look at the category section here, you've got really every niche and industry that you can think of. And so if I just want to download something in CRM and sales, I can come here, copy over the JSON file after viewing it, come back over. Here's another automation I just copy and pasted. And here's the one that we just got from the documentation. So we've got all these different workflows that are already built for us, and we just need to add in our credentials and integrations. So it saves a lot of time. So we'll delete this, start from scratch, and I'm going to show you exactly how to get access to all these workflows right now. In order to pull all these workflows, we're going to need to actually pull them from the creator in GitHub, so we can come to the code and copy this over. If you can't find this, you can type it into Google. Just type in Z619, and you'll find all of the workflows of N8N I could find. Select this, we copy the code over, and now we need to enter it into our terminal on our computer. So I'm just going to open up my guide here in my AI Skool for us to follow along. We'll open up our terminal here, move this over, bring up the guide here. And now that we've found the repository, we need to go ahead and download the code using our terminal. And so I'm on Mac here, so I will just go ls to list what's on my computer. We'll go cd desktop, and here is where we're going to need to copy this code over. So we'll go copy to clipboard. We will clone this, so git clone. We'll enter in and pull from that URL, and now we need to enter it into a folder on our desktop. So we will just go 2,000 plus N8N workflows. And now all of that data from the URL and all of the workflows will be in this folder. So we'll just wait for it to complete here. And now what we need to do is actually open it in something like VS Studio. And if you don't know what that is, you can type in VS Studio. We're going to be using Cursor today, but you can use Visual Studio Code. I know a lot of people use that as well. And for today, we're going to be using Cursor. So just go to Cursor, download for whatever you'd like to download for, Mac or Windows. And I will open up Cursor for us right now. Pull open our guide here again. And you guys can, by the way, come and download this in the link below if you want to follow this guided approach as well. So open the project in Cursor. So we're in Cursor here. We're going to open this up. And if we go to our desktop now, you see that we have our folder 2,000 plus N8N workflows. We'll select that, enter, and now you see we have all of the data on the left here. Now what you're going to need to do is open up the terminal. So we're already in the path here, 2,000 plus N8N workflows. Now from here, we're going to need to use a little bit of Python coding. It's nothing too crazy, but first thing we're going to do is create a virtual environment. I'm on a Mac, so I'm going to be typing out Python 3 instead of Python, and we'll go M virtual environment space virtual environment. We'll enter that, and then now we need to activate the virtual environment. So we'll go source.vnv/bin/activate. This will activate our virtual environment, and you see here now we're in the virtual environment. If you look on the left, it's in parentheses .vnv. And so now we know we're in our virtual environment, and we can install the required Python packages. So we will go pip install r requirements.txt. Okay, we install all of the required packages, and now got success here, a bunch of code, and now we will run the Python program. So we will go Python space run.py, and here we go. We've got everything running here. Dependencies verified, directories verified, and now we just click this link here, starting server, and we will actually go to that documentation with all of the N8N workflows. So if we come over here, you can see that we have access to all the different categories as well. So now we have access to over 2,000 workflows, and let's just go over how to actually use one again. So I'll just use this one. Sure. Telegram, execute command, process webhook. You can download the JSON file. You see it just downloaded to my folders here. Or you could just go to view JSON, copy, go to your N8N, paste that in, and then the automation is built out for you. You just have to add in your credentials and do a bit of tweaking here and there. But that is the automation, guys, on how to download over 2,000 plus N8N workflows. I hope you guys like this video, and like I said before, if you want to get access to this guide here, you can come over to my AI school, the AI Automations Club, go to the classroom section, build automations, go all the way to the bottom, 2,000 plus free N8N workflows, and you'll have access to this entire guide as well. You can come and copy all the code if you want. But that is the video, guys. I hope you liked it. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.